Good afternoon, everyone. I am Bishop Reddy from the Cedar Gardens New Testament Church of God. Oftentimes we find ourselves in difficult situations and we wonder how we're going to get out of these situations. Here's a word that I want to leave with you today. A better place to be. Be inspired, be blessed, and may these words be a challenge to your heart.
A holy place. Even John referred to this event in his letter years in 1 John 1:1. Peter wanted to settle down and stay right there in verse 4. After this event, these men came down off the mountain with Jesus. When they arrived back in the valley, they were, amen, high up in the very presence of God. They had to deal with a demonic spirit and they have to pay their taxes after they came down from the mountain. But they also carried that event of the mountain within their hearts. According to Mark 10, verse 9, verse 10, here is a point I want to make. If you really know the Lord, there will be some mountaintop experience with him. There will be times when his presence is real and his glory is clearly seen. When you are in one of those times, enjoy, for it only will worth it, because you will soon be back in the valley. But the experience of the mountaintop will sustain you through many long and difficult valleys. I come to tell you, Church of God, there will be some days when you feel like you're on the mountain with Jesus, when you want to speak in tongues and run the aisles. But there are going to be some days when you're going to be in your valley, when you don't want to even lift up your hands. But let me tell you something, because you have been there before, and now that you are here, you're going to say, Lord, if you deliver me when I was there, you can deliver me right here. I come to tell somebody who is in their valley, don't sit down in their valley and cry. The Lord told me to tell you that He's going to validate you in your valley. The Lord wants you to know that you are coming out of your valley. Tell your neighbor, good brother, preacher, say, the valley is not where I want to be. The mountaintop is where I'm going. For I hear the writer said, I'm pressing on the upward way. You handsome gaining, every day still praying on. I onward bound. Lord, plant my feet on a higher ground. It is a special place because the Lord is here.